Hello everybody, it is Weekly and I am here with my pal Danilo.
Hey.
And so basically guys, the music may have interrupted the whole thing, but I am with Danilo and today we're playing DS3 because we haven't done that for so long. And yes, so today, remember the Pinky battle that we did? Now, I think we're going to switch it up a little bit. It is going to be it is going to be the Fight for Nature battle. And because green, I believe, is the color of nature, so I've added some nature colors into Jesus 3, and we're going to see how they do against us. May the battle commence. 3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Go! I didn't forget who my character was already, but now I remember. So that was the black character as always. I'm blue. Guys, don't let this game fool you because it's very racist. I mean, I'm not being mean, but I feel like this game is just too racist sometimes. It makes us say black. Whoa! No. You nearly killed. Yeah, that's what you get, Danilo.
What?
You killed me.
No, I didn't.
Well, you nearly did until I died. Wow, it looks like this screen here killed everybody. Well, not me. I survived, but at least floating up into space. What? One's in last. The green is one green is in last, one's in third, and one's in first. I don't know how the one in 6 is gonna win this now. Oh, they all split up. Whoops. All the greens are on my side. Oh no. No, you're very silent. Are you okay?
Yes.
It doesn't sound like it.
But I just concentrate on, on crap. Not that crap.
Oh, well, you can talk and concentrate at the same time, because that's what I'm doing. What? What happened? You just be lucky that, oh, you're dead. Oh, wait, no, you survived. Okay, I nearly died. What? Okay, I nearly died. No one made it.
I did.
What? No.
I did.
No.
I did.
What?
Low.
Ow. One green is in last. And I mean the light one. Okay, I nearly died because I wasn't concentrating on who I was. Ah! Killed my green. Oh, I killed a green. I killed a green.
Yeah.
Maybe you're not Savage Blackie, are you? Nope, you're not Savage Blackie anymore. You're the Savage Daddy because you died already. Get it? Because I won! I died because I'm green.
Sorry.
Cough until you drop. I'm the best at weapon, the best at snapping. If you want to fight me, get back in. I'll try to rap. It's my tradition now. I got a haircut.
No,
Well, no, actually, no, I didn't. It looked like one, but no. What?
Nah, there's a hack on this one.
What?
There's a hacker.
What?
I pressed nothing, they just went off.
Hard to believe, because I died while she's floating up in space, and then I did. My stupid friend does not know. He just wants to end his life now. Sad.
He got pixelized.
Wow, you're Hitler.
Wow,
Wow.
last by just dying.
Anyways, one green is in first, one's in second, one's in fifth. Because Danilo is in last. Well done, Danilo. At least it saved your life. I mean, one of the Green's life. At least he's not in last now. But wow, man. You made me lose my chance. And thanks to you. Oh, yeah, I got some now. Said you died again. Somehow. How did you die this time, Danilo?
Trying to get the double team.
Oh, breaking news! A fellow named De Niro has died because he forgot to grab an extra life in the video game called G-Switch 3. I've heard that they're going to make a real life episode of it soon. So if they do, then De Niro can die in real life. This is getting surprising. And that is it from Kale Lipton. I don't even know what that is.
Character.
That is it. Let's go to John with the weather. Wow!
Haircut.
Speed and trains with speed. Wow! My train let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Down. Sad. Who was that? Oh yeah! I'm with the Greens. Wow, one Green missed the opportunity of a lifetime. It's only these two Greens battling out light green and dark. Sad! Oh, sad snap. What? What? How? It's the final. Wow! Wow. We didn't even check the scores. That was the final round. And look, you broke the game.
How?
The game broke. Oh my. The game broke on you because you were so terrible.
No.
I'm sorry. The nail just becomes a play toy sometimes. Let's go. Go. Okay, the nail, try not to make a fool of yourself, okay? Because last one, you were bad. You was bad as a baby playing this.
Baby would die straight away.
Well, maybe not.
Maybe they will.
Maybe they won't. Have you thought of that? No, you haven't. Oh, Red's not even in first and he's still got speed. No! Leave me alone. Yeah, that's what you get. What? 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 Ow, stop. Ow. Sorry. Ow. Oh, wow. Nope. Oh, 1 second and third degrees position. They're only 1 second and third.
Which place I am?
Oh, I forgot. Last. Well, actually, I don't know. You know, I think that ever since we played this game now, there was just a noob. He didn't even get the change while it was right there, and he wasn't blind.
Yeah,
so I don't know what happened.
But he
But
was blocking
what?
me. This red guy.
You just sound. What? Oh, when guy takes out some green strands. No. I survived. I am so lucky to be alive. Wow, it's only this green and me and the no left. Yeah.
Please don't die. Please don't die.
You can't die with the stupid green on your side.
Please don't die. Please.
Yeah, but okay, wow. No!
Yes, I was the first one.
Wow, you're in third. Wow, I'm in fifth. No. No, you can't be in fifth. You can't be in fifth. Little drift.
Man, you're bad at rhyming, man.
That's what you get. You get a punch to the face.
Thanks for that.
Or I'm gonna punch you at the end of this video. But actually, maybe not. But that depends on your behavior. Otherwise, you get detention for a year. Okay, maybe not. Maybe not. I'm not really a teacher, guys, and I'm not really being serious. Sad. So no, that's that's what you get for calling me a bad wimer. That's what you get. My wives hated you, and they still hate you.
Guys, go if you wait. Go subscribe and don't forget to ring.
We haven't even ended the video yet. You crazy monkey. Anyways, we're gonna add another person into the video named Keanu. You knew that was gonna be somebody, weren't it? So, Keanu, I'm sorry, but you got to be somebody. You got to be a red guy, apparently. Wait, where does Keanu have to tap? Wow. The Keanu. Oh my goodness.
He has to be there.
Yeah, let me get the overgreen back. And yeah, it's gonna have to be 4th player. Which means it's gonna have to be. Wait, where's red? Where's the red? There. So 6. Let me add the other greens. There. Now this is perfect. Come on, De Niro. Now it's all 3 of us with the greens. And all of us are tapping like crazy.
Who's Keanu?
Red! Obviously. I just said. Oh, it rhymed! What? They both got speed. Well, oh, one gets trapped under his own foot. Oh, the little Frankie, you saved my life! No, you didn't. You ended it. You probably ended it. Now the green and the red person is surviving. Oh, wait, that's Keanu. Oh, I forgot. If this guy gets beaten by a 5-year-old, I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening with our lives. Whoa! We died before 5-year-old. And he's the first, and we're last. This is embarrassing. No, we gotta beat Keanu. Oh no, I'm right next to him. I'm winning. Winning.
Bruh.
Oh, I know that. Yay, I'm by myself, not with a killer named Keanu. Out to get me! He's right here now. I spoke too soon. I should shoot.
I died.
What? I was vanished onto my feet. So let's see who wins this battle. I don't care only wait for one match, but we're gonna see who wins this one. So
3 people.
time for the winners. In first place, green with no face. In second, dark green. In second, and fourth, light green. Congratulations. Okay, so remember guys, this video was nothing about us. It was just about the fact that we're having fun and we were just seeing these guys in action. Until then, bye.